Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics. Know whether the document is doc or docx and which Word version you run. Once done, save a backup copy with a clear name so you can revert. Make sure to close other Word windows and temporarily disable autosave to prevent conflicts. You will act directly on the copy. This avoids accidental data loss and ensures the settings you change only affect the file you intend to convert. Now open the copied document and go to File, then Info, and choose Convert to upgrade to the modern format. You must accept the conversion and immediately save as docx. This preserves features like track changes and modern styles. Once saved, run the document inspector and follow prompts to remove legacy elements that force compatibility mode. If specific features are flagged, replace or reapply them using current Word tools so the document stops reverting to older behavior. Finish by closing Word and reopening the converted file to confirm compatibility mode is gone. You should see the normal indicators. If compatibility mode persists, select all content, paste into a brand new blank docx document, then save. This cleans hidden legacy settings. Make sure to inspect fonts, headers, and any macros. Recreate or re-enable them carefully. If problems continue, try opening in safe mode to disable add-ins before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.